All right, guys, we got another great video for you today. Another amazing Foxx Life Sciences podcast. You're going to love this one. Our little Fox loves this one. And why? We got a brand new, beautiful bioprocess bag. That's right. It's called Easy Bio Ultra Bag. And this one is made in America. And this one is a game changer from Foxx Life Sciences. But before we get started, let's go ahead and go through the panel.
I know. Once again, we couldn't find Dwayne.
I think he was running late.
Insane Dwayne is hard to find.
Guys, Insane Dwayne's got to be here on time, all
Well,
right? So let's start off. Over to the far left, we got the one and only, the rookie, Alice. Tell everybody who we got there.
Well, this is our Lindsay, and she's our new bioprocess salesperson for the Mid-Atlantic region.
Yeah.
Cheers to her!
Let's hear for Lindsay. All right. Very cool. All right. And then to my left, the one and only.
Yeah, the veteran Italian. Here is Alice, and obviously I am your salesperson for all the
hang on.
What is going on?
Hey.
Insane Dwayne, where you been? You can't be late. Come
Dwayne.
get over.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mr. Rhino, but we never even got to Mr. Rhino. That's not good.
Oh, Mr. Rhino.
Hey, thank you
You
for-
can introduce yourself still.
No, it's okay. It's
That's fine. Take your seat.
yeah. Whoa!
Oh, no.
You
Is
just
it
knocked over the
broken?
bottle.
Is it broken?
No, it's a rhino.
Oh! There you go. That's our brand new, that's right, special coated Type 1 3.3 borosilicate with that proprietary Rhino coating. You can grip it. You got the skewer grass, and you got to check out all the videos we've done on that. That was our first podcast video, and Mr. Rhino's becoming pretty famous. Definitely check out the t-shirts we got on that, the mugs, everything else. You're going to want to be a Mr. Rhino fan. But guess what? We've got Insane Dwayne. That's right.
Welcome back.
All right, you got to really try to be on time there, right?
There's too many projects. I'm launching a new project soon.
This guy is he's amazing. He's here till like 11, 12, midnight, working on the next little project. And that's how we keep winning these innovation awards. Take a look, guys. And this next one, another amazing Easy Bioprocess Bag. And we're going to show that to you. But Dwayne's been with us over 5 years. Alice's been with us 10 years in August,
Yes,
right?
10 years
Let's
in
hear
August,
it for
guys.
Alice,
That is
everyone.
a long time. I was still young back then.
And then we got the rookie. So, and she's going to be selling all kinds of easy bio products to everyone out there. And for those that don't know, Foxx Life Sciences, super cool company, privately held. We've got 2 plants north of Boston, made in the USA. Over 90% of our product line is made in the USA.
Yeah.
So very unique, and don't worry about tariffs. And then in addition, we opened up a plant in India, local for that APAC region 5 years ago. But then we just last month opened up 2 more plants. So we have 3 manufacturing facilities in India, and boy, oh boy, 5 manufacturing facilities, 8 Class 7 clean rooms. We started the company as a single-use manufacturer. We were single-use way before single-use was cool. So yes, last couple years we got other people trying to get into this space, but guess what? They don't have the validation packages. They don't have ISO 13485 and the quality systems that we've had for 15 years, longer than any, that's right, single-use competitor that we have in the world. And believe it or not, huge validation packages. And this next product line, it comes with all of that. That's right. We've got your leachables, extractables, Class 6 data, everything you need. And we're out there to help the biotech, the vaccine manufacturers, the pharma companies. And that's what Foxx Life Sciences is all about. We have our lab division that sold all of the products, over 6,000 now, guys, sold through distribution. So you can buy all syringe filters, bottles, carboys, you name it, glassware. We have all of that through VWR, Fisher, Thomas, all the, middle-sized distributors, small distributors. But then on our bioprocess side, we have a whole direct sales team worldwide that's out there trying to help you with custom assemblies for your production. But before we get started, we're known for really dominating the manifold area, right? So we do bottle manifolds, We do all kinds of carboy manifolds, and there's a lot of advantages for these rigid container manifolds. And don't worry about that. They go in all kinds of housings and secondary containers and foam packs, so we can make that really nice. But as the market evolved, there was the bag situation, and people like bags for different reasons. We still love rigid containers, but just like on our carboys where we had our easy grips, people also wanted the rounds. We have the full portfolio now. And then people wanted made in America high quality bags, right? And we said, you know what, let's really get to work on this. And now we've got them. So for everyone back home, you're gonna love it. But take it away. Why are these bags so cool?
So we have these bags basically for our bioprocess applications. It comes in different volumes, which my team will explain. And these bags come in a Renolit film 9101. So the product layer that is there, the inner layer is ULDP, which is known to have lower extractables and leachables. Between that, there is an EVOH layer that prevents the oxygen and carbon dioxide. It's a barrier to them. And then on top of that, there is an LDPE layer. So basically to protect your bag from any coating, puncture issues.
So super cool. I know your customers have been asking for this.
I can
right?
just say that both Lindsay and I are extremely happy. It's like an early Christmas already. I mean, this was absolutely a great addition to our line.
It really is. It really is.
Yeah, no, it's super cool. And then we just launched this video. You got to check it out. So let's see if we can get Dan the man back in the control room to play us this video. And we'll walk you through it because this is a really nice video describing the features and the benefits of this next generation bag for easy bios.
Yeah, and actually Lindsay just showed it to one of her customers. And how did he react?
Oh my gosh, loved it. Absolutely loved it. Was thrilled.
All right, let's go ahead. Dan the man, let's play it.
Volume has handles, so it's easy to hold.
Here's the breakdown of the film.
Wow, go down all the way to negative 45 Celsius.
That's almost as cold as you, Alice.
Hey! Hey, I'm Italian, I'm hot.
Nice handle grip there. You can see those grommets are really nice also, so that you can hang on a post or a hook or any setup that you have in production. Vanapure, Watson Marlowe, Eldon James, Foxx's tubing, Saint-Gobain, we can provide all that with these bags in a huge range of sizes, as you can see here.
Yeah, and the tubing can be both silicone or TPE, so that gives even more flexibility to your design.
Obviously, we do tons of custom assembly. That's what Foxx is known for. The more complicated, the better. We love that.
Customized, so if you want a face port, that's something that's possible. Even number of ports on the back, that too is possible.
Yeah, pretty remarkable, incredible amount of combinations. There's the different tubing we talked about. We carry all of that. We have all of the different different connectors in stock. We're a huge distributor of CPC components, and all of the stuff we keep in stock.
That actually allows us to keep all those components in stock. So all our lead time are actually going down, and we have reached that in 4 to 6 weeks.
Yeah, with the quality systems, I mean, Foxx is known for innovation, but also the quality level and on-time delivery in a short delivery period, which is very different than a lot of custom single-use manufacturers. And best yet, right there, the American flag, made and sterilized in the United States, but we can also produce these over in our India facility for all the APAC region, or if you're looking for a certain price point, we can actually produce that in India also. So redundant with all the factories. All factories are on the same quality system, same procedures, same ISO, R&D, all the way across from the ECNs, you name it. It's all in the same system. Same with all of our sterility program and all of our testing. So it's pretty awesome. But overall, these are now fully available, correct?
Yes, they are fully available. Customers can choose over 40,000 plus options of different tubings, different fittings, you name it. So,
all right. Well, why don't we start down at the end with the rookie? And Lindsay, tell us where this starts off size-wise.
Let's do it. So we actually start off with 50 milliliters, go into our 100 milliliter bags. We have our 250, and then right here we have our 500 milliliter bags.
Super cool.
Yep. Then we go up to the 1 liter over here, guys. Ooh, I'm getting all tangled up with the 2 liter. And the 2 liter as well. What is really important about the 1 liter, from the 1 liter on, you have actually 3 ports, 2 3/8 and 1 1/4. That is actually then either free port, and then all of this they can be customized with, like we just told you, with all the different tubing, silicone or TPE, and all the different connectors, and any other design that you can think of. All of this made to order, obviously, in 4 to 6 weeks. That is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, and then we have the bag manifold system. So, you can tie a bunch of these bags together. We do a lot of these, and we're not even known for it, but we do a lot of bag needle sets. And you're going to get to see all the new needles that we've got coming out. Absolutely incredible. We're going to show these off at the next Interfect show, but these are all being launched, and they've been a huge success so far. With customers we've shown them to, better quality, lower price. So if you have a bag needle set, or if you need needles, Foxx Life Sciences is your source, and you're going to really like that selection. But then the bags keep going in size, right? So how big do we go there? Insane Dwayne.
So we have over here the 10 liter, but we have 20 liter, 50 liter. So for larger volumes, we do provide handles for our customers for easy handling. Then there is, if they want a face port, that's something that's possible. So a lot of options. And then even if customer wants even more bigger size, we offer 100 liters and 200 liters as well.
Wow.
Yeah, so you've got a huge selection there. Obviously, really good film, and with all the combinations that we have, we're really, whatever you need for your application, we're going to help you out with that. And we even have sets, Alice, you can talk about it, where we've got bottles and bags and all kinds of things going on.
And it can be that the main source is actually a bag, and then it's spread around in smaller bottles, or it can be that from a carboy, actually you can come out and have a different bags container for your fluid. So everything can be done, and you're coming to a company with Foxx where we have option for any kind of fluid management solution. So from bottles to carboys to bags, in all the different type of materials. That is our winning part.
So now you've got carboys, you've got all kinds of bottle assemblies, like this brand new Take a look at that titanium round bottle assembly. Pretty cool with the GL45 cap. We have this bottle all the way down to the 125 with 4 ports. Clearly, we do this on carboys. We do it on flask. And now we have the bags. We have the needles. So again, we were single use before single use was cool. All the way back to 2008, we got into this area, and a lot of people thought we were crazy. And to this day now, where we've got these 8 Class 7 clean rooms. We're doing all kinds of assemblies all over the world. So definitely give us a call and contact our salespeople, and we're going to help you out with all of that. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely slam that subscribe button, because we've got all kinds of great podcasts. You're going to absolutely love it.
And
Instructional
our portfolio
videos.
is going to go bigger and bigger, so stay tuned for even our next few podcasts.
Absolutely. And definitely hit the like button down below so we can get this video out to everyone. And thank you so much for watching.
Foxx Life Sciences!